Literally, this was sold out like every single place I could find in my size. So I am ecstatic that I found them finally. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another unboxing. I'm happy to share this with you guys because I've literally been on a rampage looking for these sandals since like forever, honestly. Like, yeah, they have them, but no, they don't have them in my size. Why? Because I have big clown feet. So I actually wear, if you guys have watched my last video, I wear a size 9 in US women, usually a size 10 in US women sandals because my toes could get a little finicky. Anyway, so these shoes specifically in like the bigger sizes were sold out almost immediately every single place that I can search, that I can look for. And I'm not too fond of buying things secondhand, used, or from eBay, whatever the case is. That's not for me, unless it's something that's like really small and unimportant and it costs like $2, right? So without further ado, I wanna show you guys the beautiful thing that I'm talking about. I'm talking about these Saint Laurent sandals. The Vernus Chiffon Nero Lucido. I don't know if that's the name because I just see them as the black flat YSL sandals. Honestly, I'll like link the name or put the name in the description box, but I'm gonna, I guess Kobe's a little excited for the unboxing as well. Sorry guys. Definitely not Kobe trying to kick me in my throat. No, we're not down for that. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted, okay, so I'm gonna go and unbox these beauties. They each have their own little dust bag. Would you look at that? Wow, so professional, so classy. Oof. Would you look at that? Would you look at this beautiful shoe, sandal? And the other one. We're just gonna focus on these for a second. Wow. Oof, so these shoes literally I cannot get enough of. Oh my God, they're amazing. So these shoes, where did I purchase them? Where did I purchase them from? So these shoes I purchased from Farfetch, I believe. So if you're not familiar with Farfetch, it's like a marketplace where stores or different retail stores across the globe actually put their stuff up for sale, and then Farfetch is kind of just, that middleman or that middle ground. You can purchase from there, and then the item ships directly from the Saint Laurent store, YSL store, whatever store it is. It ships directly from there to your home or to wherever you send the package to. So it's been months since I was looking for these, and these specifically because there are certain outfits that I have in my head that I want to wear with these sandals. And the thing is with these is that they run narrow. I don't mind that they run narrow because I don't have wide feet, I don't have flat feet, or whatever the case is. Like my feet, I feel like are pretty narrow. So when I read the reviews and they said that they run narrow, I'm like, okay, that's not too terrible for me, right? I have skinny ankles, skinny wrists, skinny feet, whatever. So being that the shoes said that they run narrow, they also said that they run a little bit small. But then other websites said that they run true to size. So I was confused. I remember there was this one time I went to an event and someone there had these sandals on, and I remember asking, how do they fit? And I remember her saying that they're a little narrow, but they're true to size. So it's like, on one hand, I can go with that because it's a real life review right in my face. On the other hand, everybody online is saying something else. So I'm just like, what do I do? And I would rather the sandal be a little bit too big than too small, because I definitely don't want my toes hanging off the front of the sandal, and I don't want my heel to be hanging out the back. So I actually went and got a full size bigger. So I got these in a 41, right? So I got these in a 41 and I could not be happier, because had I got 40.5, had I got 40 exactly, I would have been sick, honestly. Because these fit me so perfectly, a whole size bigger than what I normally would purchase, fits me really well. The only thing, which is not a problem, is that the width fits me perfectly. Like there's a little bit of space on the sides of the sandals, but I can deal with that. My toes are not hanging from the front, my heel is not hanging off the back. So honestly, if you wanna get these, I think you really should go a size up if you're nervous or if you have a weird time finding like the right size or right fit with European shoes, honestly. I would show you how they look on my feet, but my toes are not done. But just take my word for it, honestly. Like these, if you size up, if you have narrow feet, long toes, whatever the case is, a full size up would not do you wrong. So if you enjoyed this video, if it was informative, if you want to see more unboxings or more reviews about sizing, whatever the case is, let me know, because I literally had fun doing this. And you know, any questions you have, feel free to comment, feel free to share this video, whatever the case is, happy to help you guys. And I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.